What's going on, comrades? This is Supreme Leader Aaron here, and today for Gunpla Hangar, we're doing something really easy and something really fun today. This is Gundam Maxter from our G-Gundam Series of Gundams. This is the G-03 out of the series. So I'm really excited about this one because this was one of my favorite Gundams from the G-Gundam series. Completely different than, like, you know, Shining Gundam and Dragon Gundam. This one is from Neo America. So it's really cool. I love the art of the box already. That is super cool. So let's go ahead and get this out of the box and let's get started. Alright, so getting it out of the box right now. I'm already looking, and it looks like we have, again, 3 runners, a whole lot of stickers, and some polycaps. It's not looking like it's going to be a hard kit. It's looking like it's going to be like all the other kits. So I'm going to break these runners out real quick. I know real quick. Here's the decals here, and he is the Queen of Spades. There's the sticker foil right there. I'm gonna try to bring that a little closer so y'all can see the detail in that. But that's the sticker foil. And I'm gonna try to get all my trash into one spot. Let me get the box out of the way here, because I found that having the box on the table while I work just kind of gets in the way. But instructions are right there, and this is not a bad looking kit. And I like the fact that this one's more of a boxer compared to like the other ones that are like fighting with swords, and this one does have some guns compared to like Dragon Gundam, which had the little shoulder cannons and that was it. So there are some weapons in the game, or in the show. But we've got 3 runners, which is not bad for a Gundam, for like a HG 144. The polycaps, there's that little hip cap again, and that thing's kind of iffy for me. I don't like that too much, but anyway, now that we've got it out of the box, let's go ahead and get started with the build. Alright, here we have the final kit, and as you can see, this is not a bad looking kit. Maxter was really easy to put together, altogether about 30 minutes it took. But it's not really that hard to put together. I would definitely recommend this as your starter if you really want to get into Gundam. Like building, Gunpla building, it's not bad. Here I have it posing with its blaster, and of course it kind of started a little late there, but there's the blaster right here. And as you can see, it's not, I mean, it's a very detailed little blaster. I see some parts that do require some paint on here, you know, just to kind of make it look more screen accurate, but still, it's not a bad kit. And here I have him posing with his melee gauntlets. I can't remember what they call those there, but that was a really cool bonus right there to add that to it. Altogether, this kit wasn't a bad priced kit. I want to say about $7.99 on USA Gundam Store where I bought it. And it's not difficult to put together. Definitely worth the money and worth the time, so go out and snag it if you can. Alright, comrades, thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all can check me out on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought of today's build or what you'd like to see me build next. This kit was found on USA Gundam Store. Go check them out. There's a link that's going to be on the screen here for a few seconds. Use that link to go check out USA Gundam Store. Definitely worth checking out. Check the links in the description for all my awesome friends' awesome works, including checking out our merch shop where you can get some awesome merch with KBG logos on it. You can also go check out the link for No Name Nerd in the description below. That is our affiliate who does a lot of esports stuff. Go check them out. They make some awesome esports gear, and you can get 10% off by using Kouldbaynegames as a coupon code. That is a 10% off coupon code, and the link for that to get that coupon code is in the description as well, so go check that out. But anyway, comrades, thank y'all so much for watching. Much love and das vidanya.